Hi, I'm Santi Gous, the founder of Fynbos Whisperer Guided Hikes based in Cape Town, and myself a registered and accredited mountain guide. Over the past few years, I've had the privilege of guiding hundreds of hikers safely across the mountains of Cape Town. But the Cape Point to Cable Car luxury guided slack pack hike remains our signature experience. A 5-day, 73-kilometer journey across the full length of the Cape Peninsula. This hike blends wild mountain landscapes, dramatic ocean views, and the rich biodiversity of the Cape Floral Kingdom with the comfort of boutique accommodation and curated dining. Here's a glimpse of what makes this one of South Africa's most unforgettable hiking adventures. Starting out in 2023, this hike has been highly rated by our guests. On the first day, we start hiking from the very tip of the Cape Peninsula at Cape Point and follow the eastern traverse of the Cape of Good Hope Nature Reserve, where wildlife and spectacular mountain ocean views abound. We spend the night in a boutique hotel in Simonstown before embarking on the second day's trek across the Swartkop Mountain above Simonstown. Once again, the most spectacular views northwards to Table Mountain and southwards across the peninsula with restaurant dinners at the end. Day 3 takes us along the beaches and boardwalks of the Eastern Peninsula. And there is also even still some time for a laugh and some cocktails as we hike along the beaches and with a lovely restaurant dinner to top it off. Day 4 takes us across the Fynbos clad hills of the Silvermine Nature Reserve in full bloom in November, and that night is spent at the beautiful 4-star hotel on Constantia Neck. Day 5 is the grand finale as we approach Table Mountain from Constantia Neck up Constantia Corner via the dams on the mountain with beautiful Fynbos and spectacular views, King Proteas, and a dramatic ending as we end at the very top of Table Mountain at the aerial cableway before descending down. Don't miss out. Book your spot today.